Keeping your floors spotless has never been easier. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best robot mops that will take the hassle out of cleaning. Whether you're dealing with spills, stains, or everyday grime, these smart devices have got you covered. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the iRobot Braava Jet M6. We've tested many models from iRobot, including the J7 Plus Roomba Combo Vacuum and Mop, and an earlier version of this mopping model, and they have always performed well in our lab tests. The Braava Jet M6 Robot Mop is the perfect partner to the brand's large selection of robot vacuums. Online reviewers love its quiet and effective cleaning. With overwhelmingly positive online reviews from consumers, plus our experts' experience with the brand, we chose to include this new version of an old favorite as our best overall robot mop pick. Its square design helps the Braava reach deep into corners and mop along baseboards. Because it can be used with warm water, it can more easily loosen dirt and stains, leaving floors cleaner. When the battery needs charging or the water tank needs refilling, the Braava returns to its charging dock and then resumes cleaning once it is ready to go out again. It can clean up to 1,000 square feet on a single charge. Afterward, removing the mopping pads is easy. Number 4, we have the Eufy Clean X9 Pro Robotic Vacuum. If you want a clean house without the work, the Eufy X9 Pro with Auto Clean Station will ensure clean floors and you won't have to lift a finger. This robot mop has an auto clean station that washes and dries the mop pads after each use to make sure they're ready for the next time. We also loved how easy it was to refill the water tanks used for cleaning the mop pads after each use. While this robot mop doesn't self-empty the dustbin or the water tank, it did notify us when the tanks were getting empty and needed to be refilled or were getting too full and needed to be emptied. When it came to actually cleaning up, this device did a pretty good job at mopping and vacuuming, but it struggled when it came to picking up larger particles like granola. It also had some difficulty on fluffy, high pile or shag rugs, though it did a great job on low pile carpet. It was, however, able to pick up and handle hair, and we never had to detangle it. Claiming the third spot is the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum with RockDock Ultra is the ultimate robot mop to tackle all floor types. It self-empties the dirty mop water as well as the dustbin, and it even self-refills the water tank. It mopped hardwood and tile floors and then vacuumed rugs without wetting them, keeping the house clean without any major hassle. Other features that put this vacuum solidly on our list is its maneuverability and the self-washing and drying feature that makes sure the mop is clean after each use, reducing the likelihood of mold growth and odors. The dual brushes are also self-cleaning, and the dustbin will self-empty into the dock's dust bag for easy removal about every 7 weeks. After 6 months of use, we're still loving this mop. The battery is always charged because it always returns to the dock, which stays plugged in. We would, without hesitation, recommend this robot mop because it makes cleaning all floor types easy. But bear in mind that you'll have to get a replacement cloth should the included one ever get damaged or worn. Coming in at number 2 is the Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. If you're a pet owner, the Shark Matrix 2-in-1 can help keep your floors free of pet hair. We tested this robot mop on tile floors with plenty of hair from cats, dogs, and a bunny, and it did a great job vacuuming up the pet hair and any debris. We scheduled the mop to clean the floors every day, and then engaged spot cleaning mode, where dogs had dragged in dirt and mud, and were happy to report that it cleaned everything. Because this robot mop comes with 2 mopping pads, you can leave one on the mop while you wash the other, so your mop is always ready to use. As with other robot mops, it's very intuitive to obstacles in the room and easily maneuvers around chair and table legs. It will also avoid any unexpected objects left on the floor, like toys, books, or shoes. After 6 months, this robot mop is still perfect for everyday use. The battery life is great. It still runs on a schedule without any issues, and it cleans the vacuums and mops the floor really well, keeping it free of dirt, mud, and debris. It has a self-cleaning brush roll, and, true to its word, it keeps hair from getting tangled in the brushes. We haven't had to remove any. While its self-cleaning mode is certainly helpful, We'd be even happier with this product if the dustbin self-emptied when it's mopping. Finally, the #1 spot goes to the Roborock S8 Plus Robot Vacuum Mop. The Roborock S8 Plus was the best overall vacuum that we tested. We loved that its scheduling mode allowed us to set a schedule for the mop, and then it began cleaning on its own each day. With the spot cleaning mode, we could clean up spills or dirty areas whenever a little extra cleaning was necessary for extra convenience. It also self-empties the dustbin into a bag on the docking station, so we could do most of our cleaning without lifting a finger. One of the most user-friendly features of this mop is its ability to maneuver throughout the home. When we tested it, it was able to move around chair legs, over thresholds, and around cords. It even added a threshold to the digital map after going over it a few times, so it remembers to slow down in the future. After 6 months of use, we are happy to report that we loved this robot mop as much as we did at the beginning of the testing process and would absolutely recommend it to friends and family. It still does a great job picking up hair and other debris, and while there are many things we love about this mop, we only wish it came with components like brushes, dustbins, and mopping pads. And there you have it, our top 5 best robot mops. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. See you next time.